Hey everyone, welcome to Alok's woodworking journey. Alright, so today we are going to be reviewing the Black& Decker cordless lithium ion hand vacuum. It says it's a 1.5x more dirt bowl capacity. The reason I bought this is because my old vacuum, actually very similar model, the battery sort of died, not exactly died, but it became very less. But it lasted me for several years, so I was very happy with this very handy vacuum cleaner from Black& Decker. And this is a similar model. The model number is HHV1315J042. And what I found from experience, I tried various hand vacuums. Some of them don't have the enough suction power, some of them the batteries don't last, but I really like this. It's easy to clean, it's very handy, and for small messes, it's really useful, especially the size and everything. The previous one had a charger. I'm not sure how the charger will be here, but let's see. I don't know some of the details here, but uh, I liked it. I got it from BJ's. I think one of the cheapest price I got from BJ's Wholesale Club, and I think the price was $44 something. So roughly in that range. Just wanted to let you guys know that I'm not affiliated in any way with the retailer or wholesale or any of the suppliers at this point when at the time of the recording. So this is the vacuum cleaner. It says wide mouth design effortlessly scoops up large debris. Then it has cyclonic action, keeps the filter clean and power strong. And it's removable, washable dirt bowl and filter. So you can see the filter actually here. And one thing I like is it's like transparent, so you can see what's inside and if this it's clogged or not clogged. So I like that here. It's easy to clean. There are two buttons on the top, one for start and one for removing the bowl, and it's pretty simple to operate. And let's go with the specifications here. Even before I open the box, let's go with the specifications. So the weight is 2.11 lips, and voltage is 10.8 volt. So why voltage matters is it's about the power. There's some 7 volt vacuum cleaners which don't give you that much power really, and the capacity is 31.8 ounce dry. So this is not a wet vacuum. There's another model by Black& Decker, which is a wet vacuum. Actually, that I was looking for that one. I have two of them in my house, and they were cheaper, in fact, and they don't have that much suction and that much lasting. The battery doesn't last so long, but they are really good too. So let me actually show you those, compare it with this, and that'll give you some idea. So this is the Black& Decker. It is wet and dry, so I like this because it can get some of the wet stuff also, and it's very similar in operation. And the one thing good is it comes with a wall attachment where you can just put it on the wall like this, and it charges. So I like this model. It's not, I believe this is not as powerful. I would have loved to get this. So now I'll have three vacuum, one in the lower level. So two of these wet and dry ones, one in the upper level and one in the lower level. And this one, the new one, is going to be in the main level, where for picking up small debris, basically, where you don't want to pull out the big vacuum cleaner. By the way, I also have a video on the big vacuum cleaner I recently purchased, and please have a look at that if you like this. Okay, here are the accessories. It says washable filter, flip up brush, extendable crevice tool, and it comes with a wall mount and jack plug charger. So this is plug-in type charger. The earlier ones, the models I had, is you can just put it on, mount it on the charger and it'll charge. So that may be a little bit of inconvenience here. Every time you have to plug it in rather than just put it in the mount. I don't know why they changed this. That used to be very accessible. Maybe they have it in any other model. And so those are the features here. All right, let's open this up. You can see um, it comes almost fully assembled, I guess. All right, so this has, I believe, the wall mount here and some screws here. This is the wall mount. Okay, yeah, I think I was seeing the, yeah, that's the wall mount. That's the crevice tool, and that's the charger. Of course, it comes with a manual. It's pretty simple operation here. Pull out this tab first to prevent it from accidentally uh, coming on. Comes charged. Pretty low volume noise, I would say. This is the crevice tool, and I believe it goes in like this here, and there's a brush accessory too here. This is what it looks like. And you can take it out, you can take out the filter, which is very easy to clean. And it has one side is flat here, as you can see, so it's easy to know which direction to put it back in. And if you can see inside, the black part is the flap, which prevents the debris from going back. So you can wash the filter and put it back like this, and that's pretty much it. So here I have some debris, and let's see if it can pick it up. And I also put some nuts and bolts. So probably I should charge it before using it. Most of these battery operated devices, you need to charge them fully the first time, otherwise the battery capacity can go down. And that used to be a case with the lithium, the other kind of batteries, but lithium ion batteries are a little bit tolerant, but yeah, still advisable to charge them completely. A note about the charging: it says for the first time you have to charge it for 16 hours to ensure full power. We suggest you fully discharge the product when it is used the first time, as this will help cells recharge faster. One thing I don't see here is a charging indicator, so that's a bummer or downside, because most of the other vacuums that I used, they have some charging indicator to tell you when it is uh, fully charged. For the example, the one this one I showed you earlier, this one has on the charger itself, but I don't see that here, and it does not say anywhere that how to know when it is fully charged. So I would watch out for that. I'm not sure how why they designed it this way, but I think that's a negative feature. I would look in any vacuum product for that. But apart from that, I'm very happy. In the past with Black & Decker, they're reasonably priced and pretty good for home usage. So that's it for the unboxing of Black & Decker cordless lithium ion hand vacuum, model number HHV315J042. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. And please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more tool reviews and unboxing videos. If you have any questions or suggestions, feel free to leave them in the comments below.